Every year, millions of people worldwide experience this unexpected threat. Heart attacks don't discriminate. They can strike anyone, anywhere, at any time. This makes it vital for everyone to be prepared and understand how to effectively respond in such a critical situation. So, what exactly is a heart attack? It's when blood flow to a part of the heart is blocked, usually by a blood clot. This can damage or destroy part of the heart muscle, leading to some telltale symptoms. You might feel discomfort in the center of your chest, shortness of breath, or experience pain in your arms, back, neck, jaw, or stomach. Recognizing the symptoms early is crucial in stopping a heart attack. But what exactly should you do? When a heart attack strikes, time is of the essence. Here are the steps you can take to stop a heart attack within a minute. The first step is recognizing the signs. Chest pain is the most common symptom, but others include shortness of breath, nausea, lightheadedness, or cold sweats. Some people feel discomfort in their arms, neck, jaw, back, or stomach. It's important to know that these symptoms can vary greatly from person to person, so don't ignore any unusual discomfort or pain. The moment you suspect a heart attack, your next step is to call for medical help immediately. Dial your local emergency services number and describe your symptoms clearly. Don't worry about false alarms. It's better to be safe than sorry. Every second counts. While waiting for help, try to stay as calm as possible. Panic can elevate your heart rate, making your condition worse. Breathe deeply and slowly and try to clear your mind of any stressful thought. This can be difficult, but it's crucial to minimize further damage to your heart. Finally, if you have it on hand, take an aspirin. Aspirin can help prevent further blood clotting, which is often the cause of heart attacks. Chew the tablet to help it enter your bloodstream more quickly. But remember, this is not a substitute for medical help. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in stopping a heart attack. Recognizing the signs can help you act quickly. Calling for help ensures you'll receive professional medical attention. Staying calm helps prevent further heart damage, and taking an aspirin can slow the progression of the attack. But it's important to remember that these steps are not a guarantee. They're aids, tools to use in the critical moments following the onset of a heart attack. They can make a difference, but they're not a cure. That's why prevention and regular checkups are so crucial. Remember, these steps are meant to be taken in succession. One misstep might lead to fatal consequences. While knowing how to stop a heart attack is essential, prevention is always better than cure. Indeed, the most effective way to fight heart disease is to live a heart-healthy lifestyle. What does that entail? Let's delve into it. A balanced diet is key. Embrace a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limiting the intake of saturated fats, trans fats, and cholesterol can go a long way in keeping your heart in good shape. Regular exercise is another crucial component. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise on most days. It's not just about hitting the gym, or even gardening can serve the purpose. Finally, don't forget regular health checkups. These can help detect potential issues early and allow for timely intervention. Remember, our bodies are complex machines, and regular maintenance is crucial. A heart-healthy lifestyle can significantly reduce your risk of a heart attack. So, to recap, stopping a heart attack in a minute involves recognizing the signs, calling for immediate medical help, staying calm, and taking an aspirin. We've explored the importance of this four-pronged approach, each element playing a vital role in the overall process. Recognizing the signs is the first step. This can include sudden chest pain, shortness of breath, or even nausea. Once you've identified these symptoms, it's crucial to call for medical help immediately. Time is of the essence here. Staying calm is the next step, as panic can often exacerbate the situation. Deep, steady breaths can help to regulate your heart rate. Lastly, taking an aspirin can potentially slow the progression of the heart attack, buying you some precious time. But let's not forget the importance of prevention. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and regular checkups can all contribute to a healthier heart and lower your risk of heart disease. Remember, every second counts during a heart attack. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay healthy.